Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of Mani Mix dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael Symone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Mani Mix reached out to me to try out some of their dip powders and to do a mani for them as well. Mani Mix is a small dip powder company that sells on Etsy. They also have a nail community on Instagram and Facebook, so y'all can check them out if you'd like. So these are the colors that I chose, and it comes in a mini container. The first color is called Garnet Grenache, which is a dark red wine color which is perfect for the fall. Then we have Fuzzy Feeling, which is this lilac colored dip powder. Then we have Mystic Hollow, which is this gorgeous chunky glitter. I also swatched the colors for you guys so y'all could see how it looks on a nail. They also sent me a mini base coat / top coat to try out. So the products I'll be using today for this video are the lilac and the glitter dip powder. I'll also be using Revel Ensemble dip powder and Pro Dip Clear dip powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Keraskite Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I dip it into my clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail, and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. So the base liquid is really thin. It reminds me of the double dip liquids. However, the bottle is really light, so it kept falling, which I really didn't like. That's why I prefer glass bottles. Right here, I'm just applying activator to the tip of my index finger. Starting on the thumbnail, I apply base and then I sprinkle the lilac dip powder on my nails. Because this dip powder is so light, I wanted to see how many it took to reach full opacity. I did 4 layers of that, but I only showed 2. What I noticed about the lilac dip powder is that it had little specks of blue or even dark purple in between the dip powder. I'm assuming this is the result of the dip powder not being mixed fully, so it showed up on the nail a little. It's not that obvious, but you know, I notice everything. But besides that, the dip powders are really nice and fluffy. My favorite is the glitter, which is so gorgeous. The owner of Mani Mix also gave me a discount code for you guys, so check out the description. I'll leave everything there. Now on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I sprinkle the glitter on my nails. I did 3 layers of that. Honestly, I didn't like these containers because it was a bit difficult to hold the dip powders, especially since we have to be moving very quickly to apply the dip powder to the nails. It can easily fall out my hand. However, luckily it didn't. The color is really beautiful, but the containers I didn't really like. They also sell the powders in 0.5 ounces, so I would have gotten the 0.5 ounce and not the mini if I had to choose. I was also a bit off for this mani, like really off. I didn't have my groove with this nail design. The base bottle is light, so you know that kept falling, and I had to be careful not to fumble with the dip powders. It was a lot, but I got it done. They also sell the bottles in glass, I think, so you know you should get that if you all want to try these dip powders and liquids out. Anyway, on the middle finger I applied base and then I sprinkled the lilac dip powder on my nails. Then I applied base again, and then I am doing an ombre right here with the lilac and also the Revel Ensemble dip powder. I did 4 layers of that. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So I was watching my analytics the other day and I realized that 69% of you guys that are watching my videos unsubscribe. So subscription is free. You know, all you have to do is click the subscribe button. That will help me a lot because when you subscribe, a lot more people will want to subscribe and watch my videos. Then when people watch my videos, the YouTube algorithm will put it out to more people. Then when they put it out to more people, a lot of brands will want to work with me. And when they work with me, I make more videos for you guys. You know, it's a win-win situation. So click the subscription button and also click the bell. Thank you. Don't be petty. So right here, the powders were a bit white, so I'm just applying some activator to the nail. Now on the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail, and I'm doing a French nail. So I dip the tip into the clear dip powder, and then I sprinkled the lilac dip powder on my nails. I did a few layers of that, and I also placed activator on the tip area so that the nail could remain clear, or as clear as the powder could get. It had a little bit of bubbles in it and it wasn't really that clear, but you know, couldn't do anything about it, so whatever. Now on the ring finger, I'm doing a color block ombre nail design. So now I place some of the lilac dip powder in a container, and then I apply base to the whole nail, and then I laid my finger into the lilac dip powder to get a straight line in the center of the nail. Then I laid my finger into the glitter dip powder. Then I applied base again to the glitter area, and then I laid my finger into the glitter again. I did about 3 layers of that just to build up that side of the nail. So this design I'm doing here, I don't know if I made it up or if I dreamt it or if I saw it some time ago and just forgot about it and maybe it came to mind at that point in time. But are you ever laying in bed and you're in between wake and sleep and you're just thinking about nail designs, you know? Yeah, that's what I do. I just think about nail designs. So yeah, I don't know. I really don't know if I saw it somewhere or if I came up with it, but I doubt I came up with it because I'm really not that much of a creative person to come up with designs like these. So I kind of doubted, but I went online looking for a similar design, but I didn't see it. So if anyone knows the name of this design or knows or sees any pictures of a design similar, y'all can send it to me on Instagram. Yeah, my Instagram is Cherael_Symone. So yeah. Then I encapsulate the nails with some product clear the powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. On the index finger, I applied activator in between layers. Then I apply activator, waited a while, and then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. And now I'm applying my Model 1's gel glue and top coat to my index finger, and then I applied some rhinestones to the index finger and I cured for 30 seconds. Then I top coated the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds as well. I also top coated the underside of the clear nail as well. Watching this video makes me notice even more, although I knew before, it makes me notice even more that I need a new camera, because this camera is not doing the glitter any justice, and I'm very disappointed in this. I'm very sorry to my viewers. This is not how it looks in real life. It looks way more vibrant, way more amazing, and this is another reason why you guys need to subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you subscribe, brands will want to work with me. As I said before, they might give me some money, and then when they give me some money, I can buy a better camera, because I haven't gotten my YouTube pin yet, so I'm not getting no money from YouTube. Okay, and I'm not sure if I will ever get the pin. Because of Corona, you never know if I will get anything in the mail or when I will get it. So yeah, subscribe. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. If you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.